In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account. We'll start by heading over to hostinger.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the user icon. That will open the account access area where you can choose to create a new account instead of logging in. From there, click on Sign Up. Hostinger gives you a couple of ways to register. You can either enter your email address and create a password manually, or you can use Google Sign On if you want a faster setup. If you're creating your account with email and password, make sure you use an email address you can access easily, since you may need it later for account-related messages or verification. If you choose the Google option, you'll be taken to your Google account selection screen. On that page, select the Google account you want to connect to Hostinger, and then click Continue to approve the sign-in. After that, Hostinger will bring you into your dashboard area, which confirms that your account has been created successfully. At this point, there may be a highlighted prompt or onboarding area on the screen, so go ahead and click the highlighted section to continue. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Websites. This is where Hostinger guides you through setting up your hosting and website-related services. On the Websites page, click Choose Plan to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to select the length of your hosting plan. This usually means choosing how long you want to pay for in advance. Take a moment here to review the available options, since longer terms sometimes come with better pricing. Once you've selected the period that works best for you, click on Choose Payment Method. You'll then move to the checkout area where you can enter your payment information. As always, make sure you're filling this out carefully so everything matches your billing details correctly. Double check the plan length, pricing, and payment method before completing the purchase. Finally, click Submit Payment. Once the payment goes through, your Hostinger account and hosting plan will be fully set up, and you'll be ready to start building or managing your website from the Hostinger dashboard. That's the complete process for creating a Hostinger account, from the initial sign up all the way through, choosing a hosting plan, and completing payment.